It's Wednesday, February 25th. It's about 12:45 p.m. My current weight is 235.1 pounds, and many people consider me to be a road hazard.
1, 2, 3, 4. Old man ranting about bicycle infrastructure.
There are many drivers who get annoyed at people on bikes. They say, if the bikes just followed the rules and stayed safe and stayed in their lanes and didn't get in the way, then everyone would be safe. And the cars, of course, never cause any problems. So I thought today, let's look at some of those cars that don't cause any problems.
Look at this well-marked bike lane. I'm sure this won't have any problems as long as we stay in it. Oh dear. I'm sure that was a one-time thing. I'm sure it definitely wouldn't happen again within 3 minutes of the last time. Oh dear. This doesn't show a car doing something wrong, but it shows proof that many cars have done something wrong. If you look at the paint that's the edge of the bike lane, you'll notice that it wears away on the corner where hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of cars have just driven over it instead of staying in their lane. This guy pulled over in the bike lane and turned on his hazard lights because he wanted to stop and make a phone call, which, to be fair, does make him a hazard. This guy completely ignored the crosswalk at the intersection and blew through full speed. This guy thought it would be cool to completely block the bike lane right in front of a bike shop. This guy's an equal opportunity danger. He blocks for bikes and cars. These people could have pulled over to the curb, but they decided it was a much better idea to completely block the bike lane and stick out a little bit into car traffic as well.
Now, I know there are some people who are now going to say, but that's only some cars. Look at all the cars that didn't cause a problem. My response is, look at all the bikes that didn't cause a problem. Okay, bye.